When it comes to Formula One, this season will probably go down in the history books. Never before have so many licenses been granted for manufacturers to have the rights to produce brickable models or toys of the teams. This also includes Hot Wheels, who have sold vehicles for pre-order on Mattel Creations, and Brand New are also bringing normal mainliners as well as premium cars onto the market. These include Red Bull as mainliners and soon Williams and Mercedes. Freshly released is a 5-pack with 5 other teams each. This includes McLaren, Alpine, RB, Kick Sauber, and Haas F1. If you do the maths now, out of 10 teams, we only have 8. Aston Martin as well as Ferrari are missing. Why Aston Martin is missing, we don't know. So it could possibly be a temporary licensing problem or someone else secured an exclusive deal. And Ferrari? Hot Wheels has just got the Ferrari license back. You can find a video linked in the caption here, so it could well be that this model will be delivered later. The premium models will also be available in stores. Again, only 8 teams, but consisting of 16 different cars, hence the number of each driver, so you can collect a total of 16 cars. The premium models are closer to reality, while the basic models are more suitable for Hot Wheels tracks due to their simple design. The biggest difference here to the premium models, the rear wheels are covered with plastic, which looks incredibly stupid. For comparison, the old F1 cars from Hot Wheels didn't have this. Which brings us to the actual topic of this video, and that is the fact that we grew up with Hot Wheels in combination with Formula One already many years before. Can you still remember these? They were everywhere in our shops. Between 2000 and 2007, we were able to get hold of these and unpack most of them. There was Jaguar, which later became Red Bull. Then, of course, Williams F1, who did things together with BMW. McLaren back then together with Mercedes in black and silver. Ferrari, typically in red with Michael Schumacher as the shooting star and multiple world champion. Jordan all in yellow, which incidentally became Aston Martin after several takeovers. And Renault all in blue and yellow with Fernando Alonso, who still drives Formula One today. Back then, we had to buy 2 of each model so that we could recreate the races. Each set came with a sticker and, as you can see on the back, matching Hot Wheels tracks. The weak point, however, was the relatively weak axle, which quickly broke during play. The cars can often be found at flea markets, usually with a broken axle. The model was absolutely simple and always built the same way, just with a different paint job and matching sponsors. That's why the car was also available in the Happy Meal or with different colors. The Happy Meal versions were usually unprinted and came with a sticker sheet. Unfortunately, unlike prints, the stickers don't hold up well, which is why they snap off like here. This version from the Duracell range is a special variant that we only noticed at second glance, to be honest. This F1 car was released in 2007, and suddenly we noticed in the side-by-side comparison that there is no driver in this version here. All the other vehicles have a driver with the helmet in it. Later, there was also a recasting of the new generation where the models looked more like Formula One cars. But can you still remember this one? We certainly don't. This set was very hard to find. It's also from the 2000s and includes Ferrari, Jaguar, Jordan, McLaren, and Williams. If you look closely, you can see the names of the drivers on the car. You don't see that on the current 5-pack. Now the question for you, which set do you think is cooler? Do you have any of the old Hot Wheels Formula One models at home? If so, which ones? Let us know in the comments. Also be curious when we upload the video of the various Formula One car manufacturers. Included are Aoshima, Kyosho, Hot Wheels, Mini GT, Sparky, Matchbox, and Tarmac Works. Don't forget to follow the channel and give us a like if you enjoyed the video. As always, Have a wonderful time. Thank you for your support and see you in another video. Cheers.